Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed veg salad easy method. Wash all vegetables thoroughly, then chop cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, and red onion into bite-sized pieces. Add chopped parsley or cilantro and toss gently to combine. Whisk olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar for a bright, balanced dressing and pour over salad before serving. Start by washing and drying all vegetables so the dressing clings properly. Peel and thinly slice carrots, and dice cucumbers and tomatoes into even, bite-sized pieces for consistent texture. Finely chop red onion and herbs, then toss everything in a large bowl to combine. Saving a few herbs for garnish makes the salad look inviting and fresh when served. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a helpful book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with practical, everyday habits. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if you find it useful. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make a simple vinaigrette by whisking 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, such as lemon juice or vinegar, with salt and pepper. Add 1 small spoon of Dijon mustard to help emulsify the dressing, and a pinch of sugar if the acid feels sharp. Whisk until slightly thickened, then taste and adjust seasoning before pouring over the salad so every bite is balanced and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.